ChatGPT is going after Google now. It seems that ChatGPT is gearing up their search results to be able to go directly after Google in head-to-head competition for search engines. Now, this shouldn't be new to most people because, well, you've seen Google integrate like Google Gemini in their search results, where if you type in a search in Google, you also get back like an AI response to also answer your questions, as well as like helpful links and other resources. Google's been doing this with other things as well. Like if you're trying to find a flight, they'll integrate their flights itinerary into like the system where you can like see other flights instead of having to go to like a kayak.com or to one of these airlines. You can actually just go and type in your flight and it'll give you flights. I'm pretty sure it pulls information from there, but you don't have to go directly to their websites anymore. As well as like Google Translate and all these other features, Google naturally just kind of integrates whatever they're working on into Google, of course, and not always just using it for the clients that they may have. Microsoft, though, has already been doing this with ChatGPT, where ChatGPT has been integrated inside Google's like helpful AI engine, where like you type in a search result in Microsoft, you can use like their Copilot tool in order to help with answering questions, and it does really well. Both Google and Microsoft does very well, but Microsoft has, of course, that ChatGPT backing it up, as well as you can create images within the Copilot, as well as you can do the same thing with Google Gemini. So they're both pretty good head to head, but it's kind of scary good how well ChatGPT does. And ChatGPT, I would say, is the front runner when it comes to name brand recognition. When it comes to AI, I think people's first idea is, oh, ChatGPT. They may not really know about like Claude or Gemini, at least as of right now. But ChatGPT has finally went head to head and is now unleashing like search through ChatGPT, where you can like search the internet and do everything else you may want to, like searching wise. And this may bring competition to Google, which has been at the top for many years, many decades at this point in time. And this may be needed, but I'm not sure if ChatGPT is up to the task. I think it's going to be still niche, just like how Bing is niche compared to the overall usage of Google when it comes to search engines. But I do think as ChatGPT becomes more prominent, as it still remains like the head of AI right now when it comes to name brand recognition, I think that Google Gemini and Google Search may take a hit when it comes to these type of things, as ChatGPT just seems to be keep on getting better and better as OpenAI just gets stronger. But tell me your thoughts down below, and tell me if this is something that you're looking forward to doing, like using ChatGPT to search through the web or using Google Gemini.